Hello all, we are here to solve the previous year GATE questions. So this question is from manufacturing. It was asked from GATE 2021 session 1. The question says, in modern CNC machine tools, the backlash has been eliminated by preloaded ball screws or rack and pinion or ratchet pinion or slider crank mechanism. Right, but here in this particular case, as shown in this figure, uh, this backlash has been eliminated by this preloaded ball screws, right? So what happens is, due to some wear and all, this ball is having certain loss of contact with this screw shaft, right? So in order to avoid this, this particular balls are pre-loaded, or it is given this tension load as shown in this figure. So for providing that tension, these nuts are joined with this shim plate, and then it is provided tension as it is shown in the given figure, right? So due to that, there is elastic deformation of balls, this nuts, as well as the screw shaft, right? So this is how the contact between this balls and screw and nut are ensured, right? So this in CNC machine tools, actually high precision is required, and for that there must not be any play or any that backlash between this ball and this screw and nut arrangement. So this is how these preloaded ball screws are used to eliminate the backlash. Okay, and this figure is taken from this one of the lecture of NPTEL in this automation in manufacturing. Okay, so thank you.